Hello, welcome back to Roy's the Boy. As you can see, I'm in my van. I've just been looking on Facebook Marketplace, and I have got a job lot of mowers. He said there's other bits with it as well. There ain't any grass boxes. They're all spares and repair. There's 3 lawnmowers. 2 of them, he says, are self-propelled, and there's some other bits just there. I don't know if you can see that too much. Yeah, he said there's loads of other bits. He used to do what I'm doing, and he stopped doing it, so he's just getting rid of loads of rubbish. This is the last of it, what he's got left. So let's go and pick it up, and when I get back, I'll go straight over to where my stash is, and we'll get it all out of the van. Right, so I'm back here over the stash now. They're all in the van. There is a few more bits in there. There's actually a couple of spare engines as well. So and a box full of, oh, I think there's some new bits in there in the box. So we'll go and have a look. Right, so there you are. There's 3 mowers. There's a box full of bits. There's two engines just here. One of the lawnmowers is a fly mower, grey one. The deck ain't too bad on that one. There's a laser one over there, and I think that's a push mower on that one. It's got a Tecumseh engine in it, which I don't like, as you know. And got this one over there. I think it's a Sovereign, a metal deck one. But there's the box of bits he gave me as well, and there's all these other spare handles. So I'll get them out, get them on the ground, and we'll have a look. Right, so there you are. There's the stash. Loads of handles, engines, and 3 mowers. And as you see, I've got some furry friends here today. They've come and say hello. These are 2 rams just in front of me car, and the blacker ones, the darker ones over the back there, that they are I think the farmer uses those for competitions. Anyway, first of all, let's go to the mowers. So what we got here, we've got a laser here by Mountfield. It's got an old Tecumseh engine on it. It does have the blade and everything. The deck on it, there's no paint coming off at all on that one. So this one ain't too bad. I don't like these engines, as I've said before, so what I might do, and I've got plenty of spare 35 classic engines in it, so hopefully I will stick one of those on this. This is just a push mower, this one. On the next one here, we've got a Sovereign self-propelled one, 35 classic engine on it, of course. The paint on the front ain't too bad, on the side it ain't too bad, but over on this side it is deteriorated. The handles really need sorting out. The paint is coming off. There's no holes in it, which ain't too bad. The blade is underneath there as well on that one, so that ain't too bad. Over on this one, we've got the fly mow. I like these little mowers. These ones do sell well. You can see that it's been sitting around for ages. I mean, look at the state of the recoil cover. There's no plastic thing for it. So what I'll probably do is, I've got spare ones, I'll probably change it for that on top, so you don't need all that on it. The deck on this one ain't too bad. It's got a little bit of rust down the bottom there. I've got some grey paint. I might just spray it up, touch it up, I don't know, I might give it a respray. This one's self-propelled as well. It's got all the cables to it, same as all the others. They've all got the cables on it. So let's go and have a look at the other bits now. Right, so there's a spare flap there, grass box flap there. I don't know what it's for. On this one here, it's these handlebars. It's a self-propelled one, and it's got all the cables on it. It's got both cables on it. It's got the dead man's handle cable and the self-propelled cable. There's a few other spare cables that have come with it as well, which has got 2 cables. I mean, the cables alone, you can pay £10 or more for a cable, easy, brand new, sometimes even second hand. Even these handlebars. I mean, this one here, this is just for a standard push mower. It's got the cable on it as well, which is good. same as this one. It's just a standard one. I mean, ain't bad at all, is it? I've got all the cables. This one's just a push mower with a cable, so got loads and loads of spare cables, which I'm really happy about. Now over here we have got a Briggs & Stratton Quattro 4 horsepower engine. The carbs there, the boss on the bottom's a little bit rusty. He said, he did say to me, this engine does work, because he took it off a mower where the deck had completely gone. And on this one here, 35 Classic, I do have the recoil cover, which is in the box over here. So it's got, he said these engines do work. This one's got the handles with it and all the cables as well, so that ain't too bad. So let's go and have a look at this box. Right, so in the box, I'm not going to take everything out here. I'm going to take it home and have a good search for it. I won't take these home, which these, I've got plenty of these at home, so I don't need those. I mean, I'm just looking at it there. Look, brand new recoil covers, pull cords. I mean, yeah, brand new pull cords. Get it right. So I'm a bit excited about this. Look, there's bits in here. There's some other boxes in there. I can see another recoil. There's some boxes and stuff inside there. So I'm going to take those home, stick it on my bench, and we'll have a look at those later. Oh, there's one good thing I'm looking for: hose pipes. Nice one. Right, see you when I get back over the workshop. So, okay, we're put back at the workshop. I did forget to take these things out of the box as it happens. So, as you can see, I've got two. There's it's fuel tap, the hose with a fuel tap on it. Very, very good. So I like that. This is off a cylinder mower, I would say. It's got the fuel tap on it as well. That's quite good, as I like that. I think I might have an idea for that on the stationary engine. Another one of those. Couple of recoils. I think one of these is going to be for the mower. Two of those, which is going to come in handy. I ain't going to put those on the deck there. I'll just put them on the floor. And look at these, look, brand new pull cord. Brand new pull cord. You buy a bit of pull cord like that on eBay, it costs you about £6, I think, something like that. Another one of these. A couple of coils. So I will need to test these as well. Another one there, another pull cord. That's gonna, I would say that is gonna be probably for like a strimmer or edge trimmer, something like that. Another coil. What are these ones for? Briggs & Stratton Classic. Let's put these somewhere nice because they're quite clean as it happens. Let's see what's in there. Oh, look at that! Look, brand new in the box. Briggs & Stratton pull cord in the box. There's going to be another one, is it? No, that's probably what, by the looks of it, that's what that come out of. So two brand new pull cords. What's the part numbers? Yeah, rope star 66734. I'll have to look that up, see what that is, what engine that's for. What we got here? That's the top of a recoil cover. Two of those. We've got another couple of recoils. That's a Tecumseh. Oh, that's the one. This is going to be the one for that Tecumseh which I've got there. So, does it work? Yes, it does. As you can see there, if I put that finger, the two notches are coming out, which is good. Good news. Got plenty of these fuel tanks. Look at these, like Briggs & Stratton fuel tanks. 1, 2, 3. That looks quite an older one, that actually, with the metal. What's the fuel filters? Oh, I've got plenty of oil on them. That's 4 fuel tanks. Another recoil top cover. A complete recoil. So there we are. I can see another clock coming on. The plastic covers there, and these are handy. I've had a few clocks where I wanted to make, and I didn't have the plastic covers, which is good. Another coil. Don't know what this one's for. I will go and have to have a check on that one. It's got a part number on it. It just says 8179. It's Briggs and Stratton because it's got the Briggs and Stratton emblem on it. So, and another one, another easy pull 35 sprint one. It's got nothing inside. Now, why can't I? This one type is ideal to make the clocks with. That's an older one, so that is going to come in handy. See, look, another one, another Briggs and Stratton cover, coil, recoil. Now this one here, what's this one for? Don't know, can't remember. It could be a quantum, that one. Another plastic. I think that's part of that recoil here. Nice bit of rope. And another coil. Oh, what's this one for? What we got here? Set gap to 0.10. 0.10. So what's this for then? Yeah, there's a part number there. I'll let you people have a look at this part number. Look this one up for me. Save me a job. And loads of these. Look, you've got the original. This one says quite original filter in that. Dead spider and all. Right, so that's it. Right. But there we are. Spares and all, springs. Springs alone. You can never have enough spares. There's one there. Another spring there. Is there any more on that one? No. Right, so that's all there is. So that lot ain't too bad. Right, so what did I pay for this lot? All that lot, all the lawnmowers. Well, I'll tell you in a minute. But there you have it then. So what did we get? I've got 3 lawnmowers, 2 self-propelled, 1 push one. I'm not too sure if I've got a basket for the laser, but I do have boxes for the Sovereign and the Flymo. 2 engines. What I'll do is one of those engines, if I've got the grass box for the laser, I will swap the engine over. I just can't be doing with those company engines anymore. And I've got all this spares here. All the cables as well. All the cables, handlebars, and all this lot here. I mean, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 fuel tanks and carburetors and bits and bobs that I could use off all of these bits. You can't have enough spares in this game. Yeah. You can pay 15 quid on eBay just for a second-hand recoil cover, or with the recoil and everything. And I've got there. I must have. I don't know. Probably guessing 100 quid second-hand load. And what do I pay for them? 10 quid. That's all I pay for that slot. £10. What a bargain. Hey, I'm really happy about that. Anyway, I will be doing videos on the free mowers, and hopefully if I've got the grass box for the laser, I will do one on that. So yeah, that's great. I'm happy with that. 10 quid, what a bargain, eh? You can't get better than that, I don't think. Anyway, that's the end of this video. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that little grey bell down there as well, just so it notifies you when I'm doing the mowers on these other ones I've got. So until next time, cheerio.